Class stand. We are standing up. Greetings. Good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever say you there. This is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me when I talk to Unamina Adebayo. The people in the salon today, the 7th of November 2021. The people today, I get a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing or happy, we tell Papa God thank you. The people in the salon today, I get two messages for Una again. Mupa make but and two na not send a story with a pool. We gonna continue for pull the story where people they want for you. And we gonna continue for say the things where people they want for no. And two na not say now we get demand them inside demand them. Sierra Leoneans, today is a brand new day, a brand new Sunday. Today, I want to talk to Sierra Leoneans them. I want to bleed to Sierra Leoneans them. I want to talk to everybody. And they see the social media, the WhatsApp group, the Instagram, the Facebook. And they see how Sierra Leoneans they cooperate for sympathize with people that we don't die from this crisis. And they see the oneness in Sierra Leoneans them. But also again, I want to tell Sierra Leoneans them say not to wait die take place before come together. Not to wait trouble take place before come together. Not to wait Nambarak take place before come together. Not to wait calamity take place before come together. We as a Sierra Leoneans them we for always come together. We for always fight the right cause. We for always support good things. And we for stop for support the bad things. Today, how we all never come together so for morning, for we people that we don't die. Now so we all together. Now so we all forget one mind for kick against the bad things in our country. For kick against the bad politician in our country. For kick against the bad president in our country. Because the bad president make we get what they happen so. Now bad president make we suffer calamity so in that country. Because if we watch everything whatever happen from where this government take power. Now so fire. One day we all know ask yourself questions. Say what did they go on? What did they happen in Sierra Leone? Every time, every minute, now fire. Then you get people where they say not blame government. My brothers and sisters, me not they play politics for me talk. Me not they play politics for something very important and serious. But the truth is the matter is that poverty make we get this kind of disaster. The high rate of poverty, the high rate of starvation, the high rate of lawlessness, the high rate of instability, and don't happen so in the country. Then they say, oh, we don't blame government. When we not get government where responsible, when we not get government where sober, when we not get government where reliable, when we not get government where for rely on, then they say, oh, we don't blame government. One party where they pissed me off now. When something happen, they begin compare. It don't happen in Australia. So if you happen in Australia, if you happen in a salon, it don't happen in America. So if you happen in America, if you happen in a salon, let me stop this bad precedent. Just because of politics, party picking them. When something they happen, people and they talk the reality. You get idiots that will not get blessing. When not sabusa and shit them. Then they can't talk and like you talk them. So one thing where I want to beg Sierra Leone and them today Sunday, tomorrow and on Monday, we all see them now at their status, a good. But also again, tomorrow they call on every Sierra Leoneans, let everybody put on in black. And no matter whose party where you there, for we people that we don't die, Pass if you not get sympathy. Pass if you not get sorry heart. Pass if you happy for wetin happen so. Now you go make you not wear the black tomorrow. Not say because na Adebayo talk am. Not say because Adebayo be don cost me mama. Not say because na Adebayo say am. Not to command I dey command people. Not to law I dey pass to people. I dey beg every Sierra Leonean wey like Sierra Leone. You put your country first. For this kind of thing wey don happen. I dey beg every Sierra Leonean, let we all put on the black tomorrow Monday. Let we mourn for we people them. Because this is sad. And let we pray for let God sorry for the innocent one them. Let God see them through. Because everything will happen so today, the blame they go to the government. Because this thing will not happen so, it don't naked the health system. We all don't see how the health system are lacking now in the country. We all don't see how the health system not better in the country. Sierra Leoneans, where the 150 ambulance the way the past government left. This we need to ask that question here. Where the 150 ambulance where the past government left? We not see none. For God's sake, we see ambulance now people and they go use them to carry and they will carry them for rescue people there. Where the ambulance them for God's sake? Where them? What did they do to them? Sierra Leoneans, let we wake up. Sierra Leoneans, let we pay attention. This thing will happen, don't naked. The health system, they do nothing in that country, me people. This not bad. But also again, we protect the things that they pain we. Yesterday, when I look how Umar Fofana disgrace himself. When I watch when the vice president go there. Right? When I look at and they say now over 82 people and then die 80 people and all my life. You they see the lie by the people and bambering again in the lie. Nobody at the challenge, nobody no go ever tell we the actual figure. Because picking in the end we burn to dust to ashes. Motorman in the end we burn to dust to ashes. Nobody no go tell me the figure and I believe him. Nobody, I said nobody no go ever give the right figures of the people that will die. These are the body they no more where they see. And even the body they don't see, you understand? Then they lie back, they don't want to talk the actual amount where they see. Why? Because of bad politics. Why? Because of bad politicians. When I listen to more Fofana interview, now yeah, press release come out from the European Union. We not see no comments from Umar Fofana. We not see no comments from civil society. We not see no comments from journalists them. Right? Now it make when this thing happen, deep inside Madam Bio in heart, deep inside them within a power, so they're happy. One way or the other, I don't know why they're happy, because they know say this thing go can take over and people they try forget about the European Union press conference. Yes! Deep inside them, because they don't do things that way for make people they forget about this press release. When make Samura Kamara, they go count Samura Kamara in case. But the reason, and I make we treat them, we tell them, say we know exactly what they happen in the country. Now make we not mention about Samura Kamara, not even go there self. Things and they for talk about Samura Kamara. But I don't ever go there. I don't ever touch them. I don't ever say anything, because this government for no say we smart past them, we get sense past them. So when this thing can happen, they're not happy. Say, well, the people they can't forget about this press release. But mind you, we know that so we not go ever forget. We dey ring them that the salon people have heard, let them understand, we dey explain them bit to bit. Let people know. Even though we the moon, even though we remember of people that we don't die. Yes, important. But mind you, for let this government come on, important back too. Because if this government not come on, more people will die, so get for die more. So people get to understand this. Deep inside and they're happy. What don't cost them? Mama tell, look the video, they go make TikTok. When you want for sympathize with you people na Sierra Leone. Na TikTok they go. That don't show you how this woman heartless. That don't show you how this woman reckless. That don't show you how this woman are complete. You know they ever see the sympathy in her. You know they ever see the sincerity for Fatima. You know they ever see her. That they just do them because people they don't talk. And for the first time in history, me people die in Makeni, Fatima Biono come and sympathize and say sorry. People die in Panema Road, Fatima Biono come and sympathize. People die in Losai, Fatima Biono come and sympathize. People die Chonko Liban 91 Tombo. And not ever here, man, they don't ever come and sympathize. These are the first one. This the reason why. Because they not say don't know in the camp. People are going for send money now. So they're ready for camp champion and back. They're ready for camp champion and back. People are dying on Panama Road. What the Mother Bio can do? He come back and call with terrorists. That's what tell you say in mean what they do. They mean what they do. They make for any time when that take place, then they show you the way they dance. So now look at Umar Ofofana disgrace. Umar Ofofana get the gut and mind. They ask you, say, we see the vice president. You count Madam Bio in topic. Say the president go out for climate change. Well, this climate change done 4 days or 5 days ago. It done. Everybody don't return. All man don't come in country. Now in one get take him go to England. And this climate change, not to England it take place. Not to Scotland, not to London it take place. Now Scotland. This climate change, now Scotland it take place. Why you left England? Why you left Scotland and go London? Why? Because you go pan party. And this party then be done Albert and say they get special guest. Who don't have the special guest? Now this Fatima Bio comot Senegal po e go na London for this party. So the party important pass the people in Sierra Leone. People end up and cry for us 500,000. Even the climate change will cry. It fly from them back, go to London. Then a Saturday yesterday, it for calm. Yesterday, Saturday, night Fatima Bio for calm. So in Mother Bio for calm. When are they listening the video? When somebody the video say, now because he lucky people they make it calm. First for that statement, the agenda was Mother Bio for calm Saturday. That's the agenda. Not because the people have died, not because the accident happened, Mother Bio calm. And they challenge everybody. Not to that. Now Saturday for calm. People have died, they not died, na Saturday for me calm. Yes, people have died, they not died, na Saturday for me calm. Say after we come on that program Friday, Saturday they fly calm. Right? That will be the plan set. Now then the twister. Say, now because people and die, now make Mother Bio calm. Mother Bio not get nothing because not to London will be the agenda. Now Scotland will be the agenda. And the project we done in Scotland 4 days ago. Why not take him as alone? And take him go to London. Say they go for party for go dance. God they disgrace them day by day. God they expose them minute by minute. Umar Ofofana they go lie, they open they lie for people then. Say the president by climate change. Even the climate change when they go par. These are the reasons why I cannot go tap for cost can the UK because instead of going to Scotland. Una can the UK la. Finland they went for talk, you know. Talk they cover. How I go tire for cost this because it not genuine to Sierra Leone. And mind you, blood is thicker than water. And brother are the political minister and SLPP. And not go ever come up behind brother because not to Whitman then. You know that Whitman that they kid so that they show different motives. They compromise. But black man, to me, my man God, we always a compromise. We not reliable, we no guarantee. We not reliable, we no guarantee. And only 1% black people go tell you say they guarantee. Sierra Leoneans, I want to make people pay attention. I want to make people focus. I want to make people una look what the came yesterday, the can breeze way come. That they tell you now say we need to take action for them in West. We need to take actions. Now the idiot stick in my mind na salon also I don't know if it's still a salon. when I sign up church, they go talk say this thing be dey happen in Senegal and this thing don't happen in Australia, this thing don't happen. But when the mudslide will take place at Sierra Leone, then na social media they politicize. How the government they go take money, how the government don't do ritual, how the government they this. Then now they open tell Salon people and say, then when I mean they cost you Mama Zainab. You team up before me, so they cost you. I give you a later. Now all on me you there. Now me at about the cost you Zainab Church corner. Then I they talk say, then tear don't happen in Australia, then tear don't happen. This are the way when they do people, when I people are stupid. When I people are crazy. When the mudslide take place at Sierra Leone, what in there when I don't put and talk? When they confuse people and tell people they all can't talk. How an Escomado sacrifice Montamane to a devil because of election, because of this, even the money maker, they don't take care, they don't eat her, they don't this. Then today when they open, this thing don't happen in Australia. So if it happen in Sierra Leone, this thing don't happen in America, this thing don't happen, so not a salon no more. Then now we reach because of our party, then our power. We are stay afraid for open and follow our talk. They are afraid for call. They die. Me and them on me talking. Because this is the level of hypocrisy, this sincerity what they talk about. People and they when they're ready for talk 90, what did happen 90 old bep, they can't compare it to now. What kind of bullshit this? Fire Force motorcar they're not there. Now fire down there for 1 year Fire Force. Now fire down there for 2 Fire Force. Now fire down there for 3 Fire Force. Then yesterday we all see the IG taking so fuller. Now Joe day. Joe Graf is today. Another far from Wellington. But when I go shoot people with tear gas, when I go kill people, you see them there. The incident they happen, you see them there. But when this thing happen Friday, for God's sake, me people as a police, for dispatch the crowd, you for send policeman then at the scene, or you say go at the scene, for they go respond to the people go and try for dispatch the crowd. Hey, let nobody not care. Even the people in the tower fire tear gas up or outside them there, so then go scatter, let the fire not go there. Then get the way out and call up police. Me not sabi how for call and become me not to police, and I can never be police. Right? Why they not send patrol team or why they not send police then there? Let them go dispatch the crowd. Because if you be send people and the people are not die like how they die so. But past the next day, now see the IG the open talk. But when I go shoot people and tear gas, Thursday, when I shoot people and tear gas, na tombo, when I shoot tear gas for people and kill people and ready for taking go there. Because this thing will happen, police get run for play. Because by seeing the crowd immediately, you don't get the information. Call police from Joe. Let them come. For can dispatch the crowd. Block motorcar and say, hey, let this talk car, let this talk go. But by that not happen, make people that die the car, they die you. That one they all are the lack of the lawlessness of police. Sure. Because police get run for play. If the police can become there immediately. I swear to God, this killing, this die will take place, not for take place. Because the thing, now going they go, some people they can't save people, they can't die. That's what it's happen. Because immediately this thing don't happen, and I say fire don't catch. Now from Congo attack first, they don't block. No more to come up for cost from Congo attack come again. Yes. When it's still happen, so now Wellington, now from Fomex, they don't block. Why is no more to cannot come inside again? Right? Because the fire not transfer. Now go. If fella. But what did the police do? Nothing. Now monitor, see the police there. After where people they don't die. After where people they don't suffer. After where people they don't perish. And they tell the IG take they go there. This all a lack of understanding. They don't sabi them job. They just they pay them free money. But when I go kill people, them immediately they see and they. But when die they can take place, innocent people, then go they see don't say and I APC them. And they happy because they do and then they discuss her. Then they discuss her. Me if I be there Sierra Leone, when the Vice President Jude go team up the OP talk so they stone and they. And they stone and they. When I see one video where they beat one soldier man, una not take the gun and shoot the. Una allow the guy the hold the gun, una the beat her. Una just swear. Now that gun first una protect na hand. That gun na protect first na hand. But una see they go beat the guy, una left her. Una not take the gun na hand. But anyway, you see so now just examples, a lot of people don't begin show. If the police and soldier they know how people and cook for them. If the police and soldier know how people and vex for them, then they take their time for do anything they want to do in that country. But this is the time for make Sierra Leoneans and stand up. This is the time for make we team up. This is the time for make we focus. We the people of Sierra Leone for nothing and lack of this government, lack of understanding. This government not able to offer nothing to the people of Sierra Leone. This government not able. Right? People in the pan die, Fatima build their life. Pastor they cost him, Mama 10 I come on life. You go delete the video. That's what I say, Minam. Go pan party in London. But today I get one big talk for we the people who are waiting at the diaspora. But before they make this statement, I want to talk to the people who are waiting at Greece. 4 years. Now don't done so under this government. One day, ambassador no grab for go to on Greece. One day, ambassador no go introduce himself na Greece. One day, now 4 years they done so. Let me give you this information na Greece. The ambassador where they Belgium. The ambassador where they Belgium, the Sierra Leonean ambassador where they Belgium. Now, he get a team, they say they want to Greece. They want to can talk to una the salon people name, for can tell una say, na then cover Greece. Imagine this government don't come 4 years. Now in the pass 4 years. This ambassador no ever grab for go na Greece, for go talk say, now we cover na ya. Anything will happen, una call na Belgium. One day, 4 years. 4 years, the people on imagine that useless dog where they na Holland where FIBA bas call it say Baba Sheikh that they all want for go na Greece. 4 years, this ambassador no ever gap for go na Greece for go tell Greece people them say now we cover una. Why not now? Una want for go there. For go tell them say now we cover una. Or now one go sign back for me go deport Sierra Leoneans and they. Sierra Leoneans and Greece una be aware and una be conscious. Let una not say adeba or not tell una this information. Una pay attention and focus. The ambassador say one can talk to una. For can tell una say now in cover una. But 4 years una the parish of Greece. This ambassador not go there. 4 years. Sierra Leone and the suffer na Greece. This ambassador not go there. 4 years. People in the parish na Greece. They don't ever come out and go there. Who knows? If not have money, they don't give them back for go verify Sierra Leone and for deport. Germany, you know, done it too. And this verification, they don't go out and back na Italy. So I want to make everybody in Greece prepare. When I see them there, not to pick him, beat to not forgive them. When I see them there, now beat to not forgive them. 4 years, they don't ever go there. For go talk to now. They don't ever go say, now we are this. Now they want for go there. Who knows? If they for go verify again, or for go talk say yes, we Sierra Leone are ready for give them let's say passe. for me they deport una. Germany 30 days they pan demonstrate. Germany you not done it. The one kind of Greece where it be say first. One thing me not the talk go far because everybody where they first agree that angry lion. But I want to put the information there for make una prepare for them. I want to put the information for make una understand say this is the plan. Then they can't do. They say the one can do 17, I think. So they put una alert for make una understand. 4 years, the people are not ever come na Greece. Now they want for go there. Now, why not now? Why when they be just take power? They're not going to Greece and go talk to una. Why when they be just take power when the ambassador can not ever go to Greece for can talk to una say they come? Why not now? Why not now? So una the Sierra Leoneans and two na sweat they pop in Germany. Una pay attention, una wise up na Greece, now una know say then idiots tell they come. Not a good thing they mean for now. Why not now? When the time they pan down and now they want come, so tell they want can take money back na Greece so or so tell they don't take money self na Greece. Nobody know. So I want to make una pay attention and make una focus and una know say Greece they reject people day by day, minute by minute. We all know how Greece day right now. We all sabi how Greece day. So I want una buckle up. Let them not say, hey, I never not be police information. Let them not keep it on herself because few people they know they. But I want for like everybody now when they Greece understand. Let everybody know say now this now ain't one for happening. The ambassador na now one can do. So I just pass this information for make una sabi and make una know. The other information where I want to give today now about we where they at the diaspora. True, we get ourselves for blame. I know they pull me safely. We get ourselves for blame. Everything where they happen in Sierra Leone, we get ourselves for blame. Because now we the support the idle things that they happen in Sierra Leone. Now we the support the alaki things that they happen in Sierra Leone. By how? All day within our social media in America, in England, Holland, Germany, all day within our social media. Madam, you they fly too much. Madam, you they fly too much. But what thing we for do for make we stop this? Now we all ask ourselves this question. What thing we for do for make we stop this? They go America, they come out the free I want. This man they can at London, and they come now, it just come out back. Of course, then he had go for them. And they can they free how you want. This in France, and they come out free how you want. And they go to Dubai, and come out free how you want. And they go all over the world, and they come out free how you want. Now it makes sometimes when they ready, then they call their own party people. And by law, when a president can any country, not to only the party people and no more than for allow. For every Sierra Leone get right for go, outside the president, they go at that time all meeting. And nobody not get the right for stop you. Because you're not Sierra Leonean and you want to see you president. But to be honest, 1 year is understandable. 2 years is understandable. But 3 years, 4 years, the man still they do the same thing. The man they travel how he wants. And they come out of the country how he wants and go back how he wants. And like for we went there Europe with you, Belgium, Holland, Germany, France, we don't get we own plan done. And we don't set to plan, we don't set to strategy. So what about London? America? We need to do something. We need to take on Madabio. We need to set example. If we not set example, Madabio not go stop for travel. If we not set example, Panam, Madabio not go ever. George Bush, the stone now sus. It happened inside America, not even outside. Inside America, the stone now sus for press conference. Now Buffy left. France the president, the pack and slap inside country. Now Buffy left. Mind you, Sierra Leoneans, we will not set up Putin. We love Salon, we don't set up Putin. Germany, France, Belgium. Anytime, any moment from now, we prepare. Anytime they say, Madam, you're the Kanaya, we will prepare for God there. And nobody stop picking on them. Yeah. When they say that they block, we follow no go, say, Madam, you're there. We defend them. What's they say in Belgium in the car? What's they say in Germany in the car? What's they say in France in the car? What's they say in Holland in the car? We will travel, we will go there. Pas if we die, but if we not die. And as something we don't plan, and as something we not hide them. Because we need to stop this nonsense. By then on social media, hey, the president travel pass back, this there. Now we said there, if we don't beat our one time, I swear to God, it a massive break. Because this fight, now diaspora they fight stay, APC come on a power. We the diaspora them back now. We for team up now. We for stand up. Tell them can come on a power. This is not about revenge. Not a revenge with a revenge. No, this is about the country. When the APC they ready for pull on a power, demonstration upon demonstration in Europe. Demonstration upon demonstration, even all on one there, people and demonstrate against the government. America not for talk. No good, no bad the demonstration. Ebo, why we not for do and for Madabio? Madabio no get blessed pass and Escoma. Madabio no get blessed pass the other president the old Duampa. Then why we not for Duampa now? So this is the time for make England, especially England, una need for do something. Not to go on Facebook talk Boku. Not to go make Boku talk video and lucky talk them. It's time for actions. Madam, they can London I want, go I want. The last time see somebody the trailer. That's what this we want to see. It's high time to make una the England people them now. Come out all over, now we sacrifice. Now we more they feel the pain because now we they spend money more in that country. Now we they suffer more in that country. When crisis don't cancel right now, they call the aspirants to put money. So why we not gonna put this thing to an end? For Madam Biona, Fatima Biona, Minister now will begin hunt the ambassador them. Even the ambassador in London, una beats first, una begin beats and force. The one in Belgium, let no worry no more. Very soon they visit them. The one in Germany, let them know what they visit them very soon. This is that thing we no hide against them. That thing what we get for do, we they visit them very soon. Because if we not begin discipline the ambassador they are, we not begin discipline the minister they are, we not begin discipline Madam Biona and wealth in they work out with in rare girl. So we the diaspora we get work for do, we get more work for do. I say we get more work for do. It's high time we prepare. We need to prepare for Madam Biona London. We need to prepare for an America because America I get for go they want them more. Yes, I got to go they want them more. And we need to prepare for them. We need to prepare for them in London. We need to prepare for them in Europe. Because Europe is a balance here. It ain't kaya so no more. It ain't kaya so no more. Because the one who swell for us, so the one who cook for us, so we got to get later. And anybody who say they stand with way when a civilian like we say they stand way with a killer. Make no mistake, when we they come, we will say, Madam Biona, you say what Tima before we. Waiting for Bilebi. Because it's nonsense for Donbo. All the grumble, the man they travel. Everywhere the man they tell us, say, you go use bicycle, they laugh. If they ask questions in a ship, what they use. Go ask you, and go answer you. Sierra Leoneans, we need to stand up. Let Madam Biona fake anything. The car we cancel yesterday, now yesterday for become. Not for the bury make it car. Bury not bury, people and die, people and not die, and for become yesterday. But we need to ask questions. Where the ambulance there, where the past government left? Where the ambulance there, where the past government left? Where the fire force there, where the past government left? Where them? where them the people them. We for all this government accountable for everything where they happen in that country. Because the too much of poverty that make people they die so today. And they call on every Sierra Leonean. And they call on everybody, not all by force. And they call on all man. Do ya tomorrow? Let we all wear the black. Let we mooning for we people the way don't die. Let we put politics aside. Let we do am not say because I dey buy or talk am, but I dey beg. Let we all put on we black them tomorrow. Let we mooning for we people them we don't die. Let God sorry for them. This na my message. I'm gonna stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone.
In solemn tribute to the faithful departed, I now declare 3 days of national mourning, commencing Monday 8th to Wednesday 10th November 2021 throughout the Republic of Sierra Leone. Flags shall be flown at half-mast. Prayers shall be said for the deceased and the injured throughout Sierra Leone on Friday 12th November and Sunday 14th November respectively.